Don't care what you came from, only what you're gonna do.
Hey guys, welcome back to A Clean With Me. I have been busy this morning doing some other errands and things, but I have got to get this house in order. So this is going to be my first ever Power Hour Clean With Me video. We're going to tackle everything we've got to get done within the next hour. It is 2:00 p.m. By 3 p.m. I plan on having this house looking good. So let's get started.
Feels like nobody's watching. My hands on your body, surroundings getting foggy tonight, but we just getting started. So physical and flawless unite, and we just wanna stay here. It's obvious, it's so clear now. I know what I'm in for, so baby keep it going. I don't mind. We dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's in the street. Dance like nobody's in the street. We dance like nobody's in the street. Dance like nobody's in the street. We dance like nobody's watching. When you rock the dance floor, I can feel your heartbeat on mine. I don't know what I'm in for, but baby, keep it going. I don't mind. We dance like nobody's watching. We dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's in the street. Dance like nobody's in the street. We dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's in the street. We dance like nobody's watching. So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you could save yourself, but that's love, that's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. Every time you feel the walls are closing in, and it seems like nothing makes it better, you should try to remember that's just how it is when it comes to love, comes to love.
If you watched my decluttering video of my toddler boy's room, you'll notice that I've already changed some things. Yes, they had this extra empty space in front of their toy shelf that I thought would be perfect for their little table and chairs. So I added that in the room, and it's the perfect area for them to sit and play, have snacks while they watch TV, and they love to play with Play-Doh, so it's the perfect area. Plus, the Play-Doh stays in their room, so I don't have Play-Doh trapped all over my house.
Broken heart. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. sick of talking, and that the fire seemed to fade. And I know we're hanging on to something that so easily could break. Don't you ever wanna run away? Don't you ever wanna walk away? Don't you ever wanna leave this place? 'Cause I need you when the day's gone. And I would change for you. I would break these walls too. And I would change just for you. And I would change for you. And I would break these walls too. I would change just for you. I can't get you out of my mind. 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 I think right now you are sick of talking, and I know we're hanging on to something. Can't get you out of my mind. I think right now you are sick of talking. Can't get you out of my mind. And I know we're hanging on to something. I can't get you out of my mind. I can't get you out of my mind.
Alright guys, we did it. I went over just a few minutes. It took me maybe 5 extra minutes than just an hour, but it's done. The house is nice and neat now. I got some other things I've got to tackle this evening, but it's nice to have a neat, clean house. I hope this video gave you guys lots of motivation, and I hope that you get a lot done during your power hour of cleaning, and I will see you all next time. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I love getting to know you guys, so keep commenting down in the comment section, and I love interacting with you. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.
But I get up, I always do. I never think